Hello everyone, Tony from Only Faith. I'm here at the Bonita Beach dog park, dog beach. It's pretty cool. A lot of dogs back there. That's the entrance to the beach. You gotta walk through the water a little bit and then get to the beach. So this is my little quick tour of it. Hope you enjoy it. Here we are at Bonita Beach Dog Park, Lee County. Just outside of Fort Myers area. Okay, they got a nice hand washing station here. And some porta potties. Pretty nice. Not too bad. And you got a little recycle station here for your trash. Got all the dogs here. Got the poop bags in case you need it. Beautiful day. It's February 17th. Nice 75, 80 degree day here at the beach. And this is the little trail that I'm walking on that takes you to the beach where all the dogs are. I think Fort Myers may have 2 to 3 beaches. This is the first one we've been at. Kids and the family and the dogs are already there. And going to meet up with them. So you got to tread through a little bit of water to get to the beach. But it's not that deep. It's up to the ankles. A little bit of an adventure, per se. And once you get there, it's pretty nice. A lot of dogs. Some people are dock their boats there on the beach and come out swimming. Everybody's friendly. Obviously, it's a dog beach, so a lot of dogs. Treading through the water. It's not that bad. It's beautiful though. Saw some kayakers here too. You can go out. We continue up this path. Again, that's where I came from. Go through this path here. Just follow the road. You can see some boats over there. People leaving with their dogs. I don't. It's pretty, very serene. Come around. Opens up. And you see everybody with their chairs and the blankets, the umbrellas. And here we are, Dog Beach Park. Everybody wait to the camera. Bailey. Hello, Bailey. Nugget. Nugget. Beautiful park, beautiful beach, beautiful park. See all the dogs running around. Everybody's very friendly. For my dogs, my kids. And there's the boats back there. Guys having fun?
Yeah.
Nugget, having fun?
Nugget loves the water. He got a little scared by going back there.
Bailey doesn't like it.
Bailey does not like the water, but Nugget likes it. But he doesn't like that Bailey doesn't like it.
A beautiful day. Hey, say hi.
I've been sweating so much, so.
Bailey, Nugget. Bailey, you having fun? Having fun at the beach? Huh? You at the beach for the dogs. Got all the pretty boats out there. Sun's glistening off of the ocean.
Lay down. Sorry.
I'm gonna go back to the van and pay.